Okay, as we enter in the DepEd, so bisunod na ta, so we begin in our journey as a guiding their growth. We begin in the first process, which is in the metamorphosis, is from immature to adult. Bang, sulod ka, bago pakita no, bro, di ka kabalo, kung saunin ako pang-kerning nga ron, asa makakuha ni kayo mo, kung saan pakanin ako pagtudlo sa akong klase. So, we begin in the first step, which is called as the guiding their growth. So, i-guide ko na mo, as school leaders, we will guide you to become adult, to become mature. But, since nadawag mo talaga sa DepEd, walay teacher siguro na immature. Mature siguro tatanan, pero naabot tayo makita na teacher na mga premature. So, ato silang i-guide. So, what are the milestones of teacher development that need official support? Critical support. So, siguro, when we enter, minsan ay mutabang na ako sa kumulo, minsan ay mutublo na ako sa kumusugod. So, as we have our one-day roll-out, now you will know how to ask, how to get your support. So, may bawaan na ito from the other speakers. So, next is guiding their own growth. Next is cultivating the garden. Okay, in cultivating the garden, what type of work environment would cultivate professional growth and adaptability? So, bubukan na nga, ipatubo na nga, wala na kaglatong sa munggos na bimaw na. So, who are those na mag-shower sa imuan na mo-grow na, mo-grow, and you grow. So, who are those? So, later, you will know that who are those personnel around in our school that will help me to grow. Next is giving them wings. So, nimulupad na ka. Fly high, butterfly. Bunta sa pagpili na magpabilin niya, ulod. Ulod ba na? Dili na sa butterfly ba? Ulod na? O, pipa? O, dili alaga? O, dili ka magpabilin anang magkiukiwo na ka. Pagsugot na, ama niya, nagdikikuan ng mampuy. O, we should have our wings. Use this for picturing. Diba? Whisper with wings. So, now you will know this after our wonder road out. Kabalo na dahil mo flip sa inyo ang wings. Asa ka wali paguluman? Mo fly siguro ko sa picture. 2, 3, 4, up to 7. So, sige, taman sa makayat sa iyong pakpak-luparan. No. So, you will know this, okay, asa mo fly. So, what sources would enable teachers to teach more effectively and efficiently? So, thinking, sa atong roll-out with the other speaker, you will learn to be more effective. You will learn how to fly. You will learn to grow, not to be an immature. Now, let's have another vision of a quality teacher. Naman din tayo mga vision na. Di ba klaro ba? Di ba klaro? O sige, di ba klaro? Okay, number 1 is no. Hindi po nakakasal na, no? Sa kami. Okay, know what to teach and how to teach it. Next, kabalo na tayo na because we are graduate as Bachelor of. So, kabalo na tayo. education man ito gituha. So we will know how to teach. Next is maintain a learning focused environment. So, asa na ko ani, di ko ganahan sa akong environment, ko transfer siguro ko, kaya brad, dili ko dili effective na environment. So, another is, respond to the learner diversity. Agoy, sa maning ko mga isang kibili. So, naantay mga vision, kaguloy, maning mga isang kibili. So, sige, I will make mga networking. I will link to my old friends para ma-maintain ako ang response sa akong mga learners. Then you have to plan and design effective instruction. So, kabalo na tayo. Then use a variety of assessment tools to inform and enhance teaching and learning process. So, you will be guided what are the tools, what are those strategies that you will learn from our rollout this morning. Then, we have to establish community relationships and uphold professional ethics. So, we are a model. Bisan o ganatong naata sa Balesbisan Elementary School, dili judta yamot-yamot ng teacher. Kaya kasi binigyan ng butana, so malang maestrina. So we are a model. We are an example. Another is, a vision of a quality teacher is engage in professional reflection and assume responsibility for personal, professional learning. So mo engage judta, pili na naman, pili kami ay tigulang na sila. Ay, naman pa sa eskwela. Taas na kayong lobby. So, natutong pag-fly na sa itong wings. So, magpabili na tayo na ulod. So, kung ulod tayo, tukaon na ta sa bird. Kanon na ta sa bird. So, kung ba rin anong tukaon na no? Hindi na, napamindos ka na ako. Kasi hindi teacher one na ko. It's ako may nagsubuhin mo nga mag-teacher one ka. So this day you will learn how to fly for our higher progression. Okay, next. The principles of teacher quality development. O, diba? Nakapagutay quality development. So, as teacher, responsive. So, nadagwa naman tanong. Data-driven, kan mao naman sa di karon sa ato ang database. So, data-driven na karon. Targeted and developmental professional development. So, we will now target the Then, another is merit and competency-based hiring and promotion.